Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to format a USB flash drive to a FAT, FAT32, or NTFS file system type on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. On Windows 7 and Windows 8 devices, you want to type in Computer. On Windows 10, you want to type in this PC. Underneath Programs, you want to just select whatever the best match is here. And now, whatever your drive is, so you have to likely expand disk drives. You'll have to likely expand disk drives if it's hidden like this. Windows 10 is further down a little bit. And I'm going to right click on the drive that I want to format. And then I'm going to left click on the Format option from the context menu. Now is the most important part of the video, and no matter which file system you try and change it to, it will delete any information or files or documents that are stored on that drive. So I'd recommend backing anything up if possible before proceeding with this tutorial. So with that out of the way, at this point you can set it to NTFS, set it to FAT or FAT32. And then once you've made your selection, you want to make sure underneath formatting options, quick format is checkmarked. Left click on Start. Please know you will get a pop-up saying that formatting will erase all data on the disk. Left click on OK. And depending on how large the drive is, it might take a little bit longer, but you can see formatting was pretty quick for us. So I'm going to click on OK, close out of here, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.